Check out this 2027 Supra R225 with the Raptor 450 engine for sale by Prestige Watersports in Boise, Idaho. Contact Prestige Watersports for pricing and details. Link in the description. This R225 is equipped with a Ford Raptor 450 engine producing 410 horsepower, paired with a stainless steel surf exhaust system and precision CNC propeller. The boat features an extensive list of premium upgrades including dual 12-inch subwoofers with tower speakers, heated driver and observer seats, underwater transom lighting, and a tower-mounted stern camera for surf tow operations. Shop OnlyInboards.com, dedicated exclusively to inboard wake, surf, and ski boats.